Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and students. Hope by the blessings of Almighty Allah, you all will be fine. Dear students, today my topic is marketing, and in this topic, we will focus upon the features of marketing and then marketing management definition and concept and objectives of marketing management. First of all, let me discuss what are the features of marketing. There are four types of features of marketing. Number one is needs and wants. Number two is creating a market offering. Number three is customer value. And number four is exchange mechanism. So let us discuss them one by one. Needs and wants. Management is the process of fulfilling needs and wants of customers. Needs and wants of customer differ from different people, from one person to another. Yes, all the people have almost same needs, but the wants differ. Suppose if you are hungry and you want to fulfill your hunger, you take biryani or momos in order to satisfy your hunger. That is your want. So a seller tries to find out the needs of the customer and fulfill his needs and wants. Number 2 point is creating a market offering. Under this objective, it refers to provide the information to the seller, information to the buyer. What is the cost of the product, when it is expired, what is the type, quantity, ingredient, and etc. Rest, the seller should keep in mind, he should project it and advertise it, the place of availability of this product, so that customer may be aware where he has to get this product, and priorities of the customer may be taken into consideration. This is number 2 objective. Number 3rd objective is market offering, this customer value. What is customer value? A customer analyzes the cost of the product. Once he is satisfied with the cost which the buyer produces in front of him, so in return to this, he pays the money. When he is satisfied and he weighs the cost factors, then buy it. The seller should this manufacture the product keeping in view that customer value. Number 4 is that is exchange of mechanism. Literal meaning of this marketing is exchange things. Market has two sides. Number 1 is buyer and seller. Marketing becomes possible only when by the medium of exchange of goods and services. When we buy any goods and services, and accordingly we pay him a money for that goods and services, or equivalent to. In primitive society, there was a barter system. We give goods in order to receive another good from the buyer. But the situation has changed. Now we pay money instead of goods and services. These days, the distance between the place of this production and the place of this consumption has increased. To lessen this, to bridge this gap between the producer and the seller, now there are agents who help to bridge this gap, like agents, wholesalers, retailers, and others, shareholders. So these were the 4 main objectives of the features of the marketing. Now we will discuss what is marketing management definition and concept. Marketing management is defined as the process of overseeing and planning new products, advertising, promotion, and sales. An example of marketing management is creating an advertising plan and implementation of that plan. Different philosophers have given different meanings of this marketing management. According to Kotler, Marketing management is the process used to determine what products or services may be of interest to customers and the strategy to use sales, communication, and business development. Another philosopher that is this philosopher says that is Gother. Marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of these ideas, goods, services in order to create, exchange, and satisfy individual and organization goals. Now, these were the features and the definition of marketing management and this concept. What are the objectives of marketing management? Number first is increasing in sales. The first objective of marketing management is that we must increase our sales so that the management or organization can achieve its goals without any hurdles or financial crunch. Once the sales are increased, definitely it will be a good fortune or a good omen to the entrepreneur as well as the workers there. Number second objective, this objective is that is build a brand. This brand, brand and other products. So you will have to once you will develop a brand product, and you will have to keep aware through the social media or advertisement in order so that customer may came to know what kind of brand the company has produced in order to drag the customers towards the product. And number third objective is that is grow market share. You will have to increase your market share, which is also a cash cow to the entrepreneurs or to the firm. Number four is that is launching new products and services. Under this objective, marketing management should launch new products and services into the market so that customer may know when the product is coming into the market, what is the cost of that product, and what is the main ingredient of that product, so that he can drag to another customer. This was number four. Number fifth is target new customers. It is the prime focus of the entrepreneur that they should focus to the customers. Once the customer is focused, customer is satisfied, definitely he will call another customer, and naturally it will give a boon to the entrepreneurs or the company. And number six is enter new markets, international or locally. You will have to develop your relation or develop your business in international level as well as in local level, so that throughout the globe company can get good benefits, and naturally it will give employment to the various number of workers at stop. And seventh is improve stakeholder relation. The main objective of the entrepreneur is or the company is to improve the relationship of the stakeholders and not to create a fragile among the stakeholders or the workers. And number next is enhance customer relationship. And what you have to enhance, you have to build a strong customers relationship. Once you build the customer strong relationship, definitely it will bear good fruits, and he is bound to take your product, buy your product off and on. So this was a brief description about marketing. What are the features of marketing? What is the marketing management definition and concept and objectives? This diagram which I have depicted here, once you will zoom it, you will come to know what is the purpose of this diagram. Suppose this diagram shows how the values are determined. What is the once the values are determined, the customer will focus the customer. And suppose you can see here, it creates a long-term this growth. When the growth is diminishing, definitely it will increase. Again, if it will diminish, then it will again increase. Once the company has to what to do? It has to build a strong brand, and this it has to communicate value to the customers. One is the value of customers has to be communicated, then they communicate to the other customers. So this was the brief description about this marketing. Inshallah, I hope you will feedback me according to your healthy suggestions so that I can improve my lecture or other things. This is all for today. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. So kind of you.